Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on pivot tables. In this video, I will show you how to apply conditional formatting to a pivot table, and also I will show you how to delete or insert a pivot table. So let's get started with the video. So here I have an existing pivot table. So without disturbing this column, I will add one more column of gross revenue. So let me add that one more column. Right now, to this column, we will apply the conditional formatting, right? So the whatever the conditional formatting we are going to apply will be the same for normal cells of data and to pivot table. So there is no difference in it. So in pivot table also we need to select the data range here, and then to apply conditional formatting we need to go to conditional formatting section, and from here we can apply any formatting we want. So for example, I'm applying data bars, so I will take the solid fill. So you can see the formatting, conditional formatting has been applied to the column. So in the same way, let me apply one more conditional formatting, so which is color scales. So here I have applied. So before that, let me remove the data bars formatting. So to remove the conditional formatting, go to the clear rules and select clear rules from selected cells. And now I will apply color scales conditional formatting. And now you can see the green ones indicate the highest gross revenue, and the yellow ones indicate the medium gross revenue, and the orange or red indicate the low gross revenues, right? So this is the conditional formatting which we applied for color scales. Now let me clear this and let me apply one more conditional formatting using icon sets. So here you can see I applied this conditional formatting. So this is how you can apply the conditional formatting for a pivot table, right? Now, now coming to the second topic, that is how to delete or insert a pivot table. So in general case, whenever we want to delete any column or row, what we do is we select the column and right click and delete it, right? But that doesn't work for a pivot table, because if I click on delete, you can see we Excel doesn't allow you to delete the table, because this is not a general table, it is a pivot table, right? So if you want to insert any column, or if you want to remove any column, what you need to do is you need to remove the column from here, from the fields list. You need to remove the column, right? So for example, I want to remove this column 2. I want to remove this gross revenue 2 column. So what I will do, I will go to the fields list and select this, and I will click on remove field, and now that column will get removed, right? That is how you need to add or insert or remove any columns or rows in your table. So I hope you understood how to apply conditional formatting and how to delete or insert a pivot table, insert a columns in pivot table. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. I will answer them. Thank you.